I am in the pavilion at Mirror Lake State Park because it's raining and it's lightning and thundering. However, the teacher still plans to be coming here, and I did bring my guitar just in case we need to stay in the pavilion for a little while. And hopefully it'll stop raining long enough so we can go on a hike and maybe go for a little pond study down by the lake. But we'll see. Right now we've got dryness in the shelter here and bathrooms close by. So we'll see how this goes. Well, the kids are here in the rain. You ready for this hike?
Yeah!
Right.
There you are.
My ankles are freezing!
Hi.
That's Jackson's mom.
Raise your other hand if you're listening. All right. You know, this happens all the time. People plan to go on vacation and they camp and it rains. So you gotta have a plan B. So the plan B, when I thought this morning, I thought, you know, a couple of my favorite things are being with kids, being outdoors, and music. Do any of you like music?
I like music.
Some of you do. Okay. And sometimes I like silly music. So I did bring my guitar, and we can maybe make up some songs. But before that, I've got a song to do in the rain. Did you ever want to catch the raindrops on your sound?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. How about just spread out just a little bit? All right, my first song is about the rain. And, you know, when you get the feel for it, you'll join in singing. Are you ready for this one?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Just singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Woo! Woo! Okay, you got it? All right, and the next one, thumbs up. So put your thumbs up. Just singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Woo! Woo! Thumbs up. And then you say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Elbows out.
Elbows out.
Just singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Woo! Woo! Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Elbows out.
Elbows out.
Knees bent.
Knees bent.
Just singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Woo! Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Elbows out.
Elbows out.
Knees bent.
Knees bent.
Knees together.
Knees together.
Just singing in the rain. Singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Woo! Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Woo! Woo! Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Elbows out.
Elbows out.
Knees bent.
Knees bent.
Knees together.
Knees together.
Head back.
Head back.
Tongue out.
Tongue out.
Slipping and sliding, boop, 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 boop. You can sing along too. walking in the grass, slipping and sliding, boop, boop, walking in the grass, slipping and sliding, boop, 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 boop. Sitting in the grass, feels kind of squishy, boop, 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 boop. Sitting in the grass, feels kind of squishy, boop, 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 boop. Sitting in the grass, feels kind of squishy, boop, 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 boop. Oh, laying in the grass, and onto it. Let's see who can remember. There's a log in the bottom of the sea. Let's see anybody singing.
Log.
There's a log in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. All right, you got this? So there's a log and a hole. Now there's a bump on the log. And who's going to sing with me?
No one.
Nobody. There's a bump on the log and a hole in the bottom of the sea. This is a test to see if you can remember. Because this is school, you know, we've got to have a test. There's a bump on the log and a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole. Frog and a bump on the log and a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a frog and a bump on the log and a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. All right, now this part I don't know. There's a wart on the frog, you know, like a ghost. You can remember what are things we're remembering now? There's a wart on the frog,
On the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the bottom
of the sea. There's a wart on the frog, and I'm going to get a little faster too. There's a wart on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a wart on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. Now you think that might be it. Oh no, there's more. Can you remember more? Raise your hand if you're still remembering it. All right. This frog has the wart, and now he's got a hair on it. Picture that in your mind. A big hair on the wart.
long hair in the wart.
Hair on the wart, on the frog, on the boat, on the log, in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hair on the wart, on the frog, on the boat, on the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. Now you might think that was the end. Oh, no. One more.
What could be on the hair?
A cake? Flea. A flea on the hair. Who's still going with me? Who's still keeping up? You are? Yeah? Yes? Okay. There's a flea on the hair, on the wart, on the frog, on the boat, on the log, in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a flea on the hair, on the wart, on the frog, on the log, in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. E-I-E-I-O with a... How's it go? And then, Kira, everywhere. Hold it down, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cat. And how did they go? E-I-E-I-O with a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a what? A goat. A goat.
A what? A shoe?
Spider-Man!
A hippopotamus!
A shoe? A what?
Oh, well, cow.
Cow? Okay, cow. Here and move there. Here and there, move everywhere. Move, move. Old MacDonald had a farm. You sing it with me? Huh? I gotta open your eyes real big. I you gotta make a big
How does Mr. Rat start it?
We rock! We rock! We rock! We rule! We have power in our voices. Listen up to hear our voices. We have our solution. We have made our resolution. We rock. We rule. Oh, we rock. We rule. We don't know that. Everyone yell, we rock. Singing tacos. Get salt in your mouth and close your eyes. Strawberry tacos. Nom, 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 nom. And it's like a dream. Yum, nom, 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 nom.
Got a song you can lead?
Going to the lemon. Good job!
All right, here's your part. Gotta make the jungle noise in between the verses. Monkeys, lions, giraffes, away from the giraffes. Ready? Jungle noises.
Okay. Hey.
Okay,
All right.
come up here.
First,
You're on Elliot.
let your fingers
It has been decided that we sang enough and we're going hiking in the rain. Just hiking in the rain.
I will dog you in
Hiking in the rain.
Why are these random people hitting me? I have my water bottle as defense. I got my own throwing. Guys, what do I do this?
Kids have lots of energy.
I'm going with my friends.
Boys, stop! Students are not gonna go on the bus. We're gonna have a couple parents are gonna go on the bus and grab the lunches. Students are gonna find a spot at the picnic tables on the inside, not on the outside. Okay? You're going to sit, people bring the lunches to you. Do I have like 5 parents that would like to go grab buses and lunches? Okay, bus 2, thank you. The rest of us, let's
They are ready for lunch.
It's not for your legs, it's for
Eating
your
some
hands.
wood sorrel.
I'm sorry, it's for your hands.
I got water.
And also gives them a little bit of energy.
Parents are bringing the lunches into the shelter.
For your hands. Baby wipe for your hands.
I like gnawing on stuff, so I gnaw on my leg.
At this age, you can't pass up the playground. After lunch, and I believe we're going on a little hike yet.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a leaf, but it's part of the flower. So this is one of the really cool woodland flowers that comes up in the spring.
We gotta count and
So he can be your friend too. Jack in the pulpit, or we just call him Jack.
right there by mom. See?
This is a bully plant. If this plant could talk, it would be saying, hey, I want to take over this forest. I want to be the first one up, and I want to be the most important one. It's called garlic mustard, and the real name for it is invasive. That means it takes over, and it doesn't let the natural native flowers, spring flowers or other flowers grow because it takes over. And it was brought over here as a food to make in salads. But it takes over. See each one of these things?
Yeah. Good.
Each one of these things would have maybe 8 or 10 or more seeds in it. And look at how many there are. There would be way over 100 seeds in one plant. Garlic mustard, a bully. So you don't have to be friends with this one.
Good.
I think they're blackberries, but I'm not sure. Anybody?
Yeah, they are.
But so you can touch it.
You can touch it. No, well, it does have thorns, so you might get prickers, but you're not going to get poison ivy. So this,
Don't touch it.
raise your hand if you're listening. This sign is about the garlic mustard. And we walked through an area that had a lot of garlic mustard, but it's not going to seed yet. So the idea is you put your foot in there and you just knock off all the seeds so that you don't bring it into this area.
Wait, can I see?
But we don't have to do that today because it's not going to seed yet.
They're still cold. Squeak.
Thank you. All right, stop here for a couple of reasons. One, you're going to have a hard time believing, but I'm not teasing about it. But the first, I want to just introduce you to ferns. Ferns are nice woodland plants. And there's lots of different kinds of ferns. The other thing, I want you to get down and just touch this stuff.
Moss.
Yeah. A lot of people just ignore the moss.
That feels so good. Let me get on my knees.
And there's all kinds of different mosses.
Hey, push out of here.
All right.
3-leaf
Okay,
clover.
listen.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool. You're on my
Now,
foot.
guys, scientists, well, wait, you know,
Guys.
raise your hand if you've ever heard of cricket. Cricket. Guys,
No picking. Jason.
So you know that
No
bugs
picking.
can make noise.
Can't pick me.
Pay attention. So what scientists have found out is that lots of little bugs, difficult thing you do all day. So one person at a time is going to get up here and as loud as you can say a short word, like 2 syllables at most, like hello, hello, and then stop. If you go hello, you won't hear an echo. And you may not hear an echo anyway because of the rain. I don't know. But the thing that's hard is the rest of you need to be real quiet, because if the person up here says hello and you're talking to the person next to you, you won't hear it. So please be quiet the whole time until everybody has a turn. As loud as you can. You're never asked to do as loud as you can, except here. Short hello or some other word. Your name, real short, and stop. Real loud. Okay. Come right up to the tent.
Louder.
2!
I heard it.
Did you?
I heard it. Did you hear it?
What?
All right.
Go.
Wayne, super loud.
Syllables.
There you go.
Guys,
What did you say?
not so high pitched.
Echo!
There you go.
Guys,
I love this lake! It's a rock! Hi! Did mine do an echo?
guys.
Stop. Lyndon, wait. Is it all level 0?
Everyone.
Hello! Yay!
Get off.
No.
Hold on. Hold on. Everyone quiet. Off the fence.
Echo! Hello! Echo!
Don't be rude to the building.
Guys, wait.
Hold on. Don't be rude to anyone else. Everyone be quiet.
My name's Bob.
Say it real loud.
Bow!
Guys,
Bye!
Hello.
I can see my old echo.
Say it loud, Casey.
Echo! Echo! Echo!
anyway, to the lake. The other side is the rock. So far, we've been looking at plants. And we've been listening for bird sounds. And
we've been stepping on poles.
And even though, you guys were trying to be quiet, that bird was talking to his friends and saying, here's a group in our forest. Are they right now? So the bird was talking the whole time. So now we're going to experience rock. And rocks are so interesting too. Look at all the different layers.
Next time you just drop it. You don't drop it.
If you could become a rock expert, like a rock star, you could identify different periods of history by the layers of the rocks and how hard some of the rock is.
3rd grade pod called. Hey, who remembers what the 3rd grade pod is called at Prairie Ridge?
I don't know.
3rd pod. It's whatever rock this is.
The sandstone.
Sandstone.
All right, come on, gather round up in here.
What's J plus C?
Keep going. Go up by Mr. Williams.
Oh no.
That's why we...
So you guys have heard about the glaciers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so a long time ago, like 15,000 years ago, the glaciers formed a huge Lake Wisconsin, much bigger than Lake Wisconsin is now.
That's
Do you guys see him?
Spider.
Oh, cool. That's a good place for him to hide. All right, back here with me, please. So, the glaciers formed a huge Lake Wisconsin, and when the glaciers started melting, the water came rushing down through here and through the dells and carved out the sandstone. And see all those holes?
Yeah.
That's where water was rushing around and spinning around, and rocks were carving out the sandstone. But this was all underwater at one point. You'd be standing underwater now if this was 13,000 years ago. Cool, huh?
How deep would we be?